Hey guys, welcome back. I was thinking about something to discuss about. It's called critical mass. And for startup founders or entrepreneurs who open new enterprises, the dream is to hit that critical point where the system takes off, right? The product takes off or your branding takes off. And that's the hockey stick kind of ejection. And what leads to that? It's basically a certain degree of awareness or branding or product knowledge among the customers or their target market that leads to that. And that is the critical mass of people kind of subscribe to your product and service, or the critical mass of the network that you are growing around you, who then start seeking more services and products from you. So how do you attend that critical mass? What is the drivers that lead to critical mass? So as a founder, we have to consistently look for it. That what are the channels, what are the drivers, what are the market integrators and the partnerships that will allow us to get to that point where it's more inbound than outbound. So always kind of figuring this out and looking for drivers in our certain verticals of the industries that we focus on, and it will be different for every vertical. There's certain drivers which lead you to critical mass in a vertical in an industry, which will be different from another industry. So always look for or seek for those drivers that lead to critical mass, whether it's partnership, integration, different techniques of customer acquisition, awareness, and reaching out kind of outbound to generate more branding within communities. So always look for critical mass, drive to that point, figure out the drivers and test them out, and then get to an inbound more than outbound. That'll be fantastic and fabulous for any startup founder. So I would like to hear from you. What do you have to share about what are the drivers that you found out for your critical mass generation, and share over here, and definitely like to continue this conversation and find ways to take our companies and enterprises to a whole hockey stick level. Thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to talking to you again.